You have been told about simile, metaphor, personification and apostrophe. In this video, I am going to tell you about hyperbole, euphemism and transferred epithet. What is hyperbole? Remember, the pronunciation is hyperbole, not hyperbole. It is an emphatic overstatement, an over-exaggeration. If you are very hungry, you may say, I am so hungry I can digest an elephant. Can you actually eat and digest an elephant? Definitely no, right? So when you say you can digest an elephant, you over-exaggerate to emphasize the fact that you are very hungry. This is an example of hyperbole. More examples can be, he cried a bucket full of tears. Nobody can cry that much. It is simply an overstatement to emphasize the fact that he cried a lot. I am waiting at the station for ages for my train to arrive. Definitely an overstatement to emphasize the fact that you have been waiting for long, because nobody can wait for ages. I can't carry this bag anymore. It weighs a ton. Definitely an overstatement to emphasize the fact that the bag is very heavy. All these examples are of hyperbole. Now, what is euphemism? It is a practice of sweetening things up. That means saying things in a more agreeable manner so that it doesn't sound harsh. For example, he passed away. This sentence basically means he died, but he died sounds a bit harsh. If you say he passed away, it sounds more agreeable. It sounds more positive and acceptable. More ways of saying the same thing are he left this world, he has fallen asleep, etc. He passed away, he left this world, and he has fallen asleep are examples of euphemism. Another example can be, he is a little thin on top. This sentence is actually a replacement of its harsh counterpart, he is bald. Another example, I don't believe your fairy tales. This sentence is actually a replacement of its harsh counterpart, you are telling me lies. So you are replacing that harsh statement with its sweetened form. That's why it is an example of euphemism. Now, what is transferred epithet? An epithet means an adjective. In this figure of speech, an adjective is transferred from its proper word and is associated with another. For example, I spent a sleepless night. The adjective sleepless is qualifying the word night here. But was the night sleepless? Or was it you? So the adjective sleepless is supposed to qualify you, but in this sentence it is transferred to the word night. So it is an example of transferred epithet. Some common examples are Happy Diwali or Happy Birthday. People celebrating Diwali or birthdays are happy, but the word happy here is qualifying the days or celebrations instead. These are examples of transferred epithet. Stay tuned for more.